Hello, my name is Claudia Jessie.
Hello, my name is Johnny Bailey.
Hello, I'm Nicola Coughlin. I'm Phoebe Dinova.
And my name is Reggae John Page.
And we are here today with Popsugar to play Who Said It? Gossip Girl or Lady Whistledown.
Are you ready? Might one former Diamond's recent fall from grace turn out to be the most damning scandal of all?
So
Giving Julie a run for her money.
A little bit scandal, a little bit diamond.
Yeah.
My two key words there.
That's got to be
wrong.
Lady Dog.
It was Drake. Can you imagine? Yeah, ding, ding, ding. You got it.
The brighter a lady shines, the faster she may burn. Who said it, Phoebe Dinova?
Oh, Lady Whistledown.
Bing, bing, bing. Correct answer, Lady Whistledown.
Woo!
She's winning 1-0. It's a good start, ladies and gentlemen.
Age breeds wisdom. And this I know. And this I know. The best is yet to come.
Ooh. I'm going to go with Gossip Girl again.
I don't recognise that, so I think
don't recognise
Gossip
it.
Girl?
Yeah, it's GG.
It's a GG.
It's a GG.
Gigi Hadid.
Yeah, you got it. I even tried to do the Julie Andrews spin that time as well.
Oh, yeah, no, I saw it coming. Not happening. I see you.
In life, as in art, some endings are bittersweet, especially when it comes to love. Sometimes fate throws two lovers together only to rip them apart. Was there a bit there where you thought I wasn't going to ever end? Because there was a bit there.
And I also thought, hang on, is this one of your own poems?
Is this a poem that you just wanted the world to hear?
Has to be Lady Whistledown.
I think it's Whistledown.
I recognise it, yeah. I think that almost, is that one of the final things she says?
I think so.
I think it's...
Guys, it's the first one we've got wrong. It's Gossip Girl.
Oh!
Gossip Girl.
No!
Yep. I curveballed you. You said that you could not do the accent on the other one, so I was like, what if I do my best Julie Andrews impression?
Oh my God.
Threw her right off the game. She never saw it coming.
Wow. Do you know what? I had an easy head start because I thought this was going to be obvious, and it clearly isn't.
Sometimes a queen has to make a choice. A castle with a white knight or a quest with a dark prince.
Ooh.
That's Gossip Girl, isn't it? I don't recognise it.
Yeah, nor do I. Yeah. And also, I think that's a curveball because of the old Queenie Charlotte.
Yeah.
I reckon, should we go GG?
Yeah, I think so.
Again, that was Gigi Hadid.
Whee!
Gossip Girl.
I knew it because I've watched Bridgerton approximately 742 times.
I know
so
how well we're doing at this shows how much we've all watched the show.
Exactly.
Got like a Minority Report with all the different lines. It's constantly going around.
Episode 4, scene 3, second 28.
Yeah.
It's always the highest risk that carries the greatest reward. You'd wager wrongly, and you might find yourself left with nothing but regret.
It's so you might be double bluffing me here. But I'm pretty sure that's Lady Whistledown.
It's Lady Whistledown. She's
Yeah.
going on the money.
Babe, I think that's Whistledown. I really think that's Whistledown.
Yeah, I agree. That rung a few bells for me.
Well, you'd be correct because it's Lady Whistledown.
Yes.
There's a weak link in every chain, and it's just a matter of time before this one snaps.
Gossip Girl.
Yeah, you're really good at
Yes.
this.
What can I say?
You're so
Big on my
good.
Gossip Girl.
Are
Clearly.
you the biggest Gossip Girl fan ever?
That's my big dark secret.
Here's an inside tip. The faster you rise, the harder you fall.
Ooh, that's a combo. Isn't that a combo? I think that's...
An inside tip doesn't sound very Whistledowny, but the second half does sound it.
Yeah, and I feel like that's almost her first... That's like when you see Daphne, right, in front of the Queen. But I think that's a curveball as well. I think that's a GG.
I think it's Gossip Girl too.
I know. Johnny's just really it's a GG.
It's a GG. It's a horse.
It's a GG. Guys, it's right. It's a horse. It's GG. It's Gossip Girl. It's Gossip Girl.
Phew, phew. Okay, good.
Is anything more exhilarating than taking a gamble?
Oh, that was a sneaky one because that was very short.
Should I give it to you again?
See-
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it.
Is anything more exhilarating than taking a gamble?
Oh, I loved
No,
it.
this one.
Loved you found the real curve in the sentence there. Beautiful.
It's all about throwing the shapes.
I feel like we've had so much Gossip Girl, but I'd also feel really ashamed of myself if it's not Whistledown.
It's Lady Whistledown.
You have
Yes.
got full points here, my friend.
Perfect score.
I want to say Whistledown as well, babe. So should we do it together? We go in
Yeah.
hand in hand.
Yeah.
Go on.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, but we're...
Whistledown.
Whistledown.
Correct us.
Yeah. Oh my
Yes.
god, that was stressful,
Okay.
that one.
Thank you, Popsugar. I hope you enjoy Bridgerton. It's very, very sexy.
Bye, Popsugar.
Bye, Popsugar. Thanks for having us.